Welcome to Day 0. With inspiration from Giaco Whatever and David Waelder, I have decided to embark on a 30 video and 30 day challenge. What is this? This is a promise, this is an agreement to you, to myself, that I'm going to film, I'm going to produce, and I'm going to upload one video to YouTube every day for the next 30 days. These videos will be random. Very random. A lot of the videos, they will be build videos. Some of them will maybe tips videos, probably go on a field trip or two, have a couple vlogs. Just kind of depends upon what's going on around me. What's going on that day? What do I have to do that day? Can I turn that into a video? Or do I have to make a video after that day's? Whatever it is, I'm going to challenge myself to make these 30 videos in 30 days. This is going to push me outside of my comfort zone. This is going to push me way outside of my comfort zone. This challenge is going to put me in a place where I feel uncomfortable, where I don't feel relaxed. And I think that's good. I think that's going to help my creativity. I think that's going to help my video making. I'm going to try different styles, different techniques, see what I like, what I don't like. This video that I'm recording right now, this is the first video I've ever recorded on a real camera. Every video before this was recorded on a cell phone. So I'm pushing myself to try better video techniques, better audio techniques hopefully, and better, just all around better videos. And I'm going to try to give myself a 30-day crash course in making and producing better videos. I invite you to follow along. I'd like you to watch this challenge. I'd like you to watch my videos. Give input. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I can take it. Tell me what's good, what's bad. What should I do different? What should I do the same? This is a growth period for me. I want to grow in these next 30 days, and I'm doing that. Or I don't know if I'm doing that. I'm going to try to do that by pushing myself out of my comfort zone, by forcing myself to produce 30 videos. I think I've produced 32, 33 videos in the last 4 years. So I'll double my videos in 30 days. Please subscribe to my channel to watch and follow along. Tomorrow was day 1. Today is day 0. Peace.